Have you ever felt nervous going to a restaurant in English? Have you ever stood in front of a restaurant door and felt a little nervous? Have you ever thought, what should I say? Will they understand me? What if I say something wrong? If you are learning English, going to a restaurant can feel scary. But today, I want to show you something important. Going to a restaurant in English can be easy. It can be simple. It can even be fun. Today, I will tell you a story. It is the story of one day I went to a restaurant. I will tell it slowly. I will use easy words. I will use short sentences. Let's begin. Yesterday evening, I was hungry. Not a little hungry. Very hungry. I did not want to cook at home, so I decided I will go to a restaurant. As I walked to the restaurant, I thought about English. I asked myself, what will I say when I go inside? What if the waiter speaks fast? What if I forget my words? But then I smiled. I told myself, keep it simple. Use easy words. Say please and thank you. That is always enough. I arrived at the restaurant. I stood at the door for 1 second. Then I opened it. Inside, I saw a person near the door. This person was the host. I smiled. I said one simple word, hello. That's it. You do not need long sentences. You do not need perfect grammar. A smile and hello is perfect. The host smiled back. The host looked at me and waited. So I said, a table for one, please. That is a very important sentence. You can change only one word. A table for one, please. A table for two, please. A table for three, please. Just say the number. The host said, this way, please. I followed the host. I sat down at the table. The chair was comfortable. The table was clean. I took a deep breath. I felt better now. I was inside. I was sitting. Everything was okay. Then the waiter came to my table. He had a menu in his hand. The waiter gave me the menu. I said, thank you. Always say thank you. I opened the menu. There were many words, but I did not feel scared. I knew the menu has parts. Starters. Starters are small food. You eat them first. For example, soup, salad, bread. I like soup. The main course is the big food. It is the main meal. For example, chicken, fish, pasta, hamburger. Dessert is sweet food. You eat it at the end. For example, cake, ice cream, fruit. Drinks are easy. Water, juice, soda. I felt happy. I understood the menu. The waiter came back. He smiled and asked, are you ready to order? This is a very common question. If you are ready, you say, yes, I am. If you need more time, you say, just a minute, please. But I was hungry, so I said, yes, I am. Now it was time to order. I did not say, I want. That is okay, but there is a better way. I said, I would like the chicken, please. This sentence is perfect. You can also say, I'll have the chicken, please. Both are good. The waiter listened and wrote in his notebook. Then he asked, anything to drink? I answered, I would like a glass of water, please. Simple, clear, polite. The waiter repeated my order, 1 chicken and 1 water. I said, yes, that's right. Thank you. The waiter went away. I waited. While I waited, I looked around. People were talking. People were smiling. People were eating. I felt relaxed. I thought, I am doing it. I am eating at a restaurant in English. After a few minutes, the waiter came back. He carried a plate. He put the food on the table. He said, "Enjoy your meal." I said, "Thank you." The food smelled good. It looked good. I started eating. The chicken was hot. It was very good. After some time, the waiter came back. He asked, "Is everything okay?" I smiled and said, "Yes, it's delicious. Thank you." Delicious is a great word. It means very, very good. While eating, I wanted more water. I looked for the waiter. When he came near, I said, "Excuse me." This is how you get attention. Then I said, "Can I have some more water, please?" The waiter nodded and smiled. "Of course." Very easy. I finished my meal. I felt full, but then I thought, dessert? The waiter came again. He asked, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?" I answered quickly, "Yes, please." I looked at the dessert menu. I saw chocolate cake. I smiled. When the waiter came back, I said, "I would like the chocolate cake, please." The waiter smiled. "Good choice." The cake arrived. It was small but beautiful. I ate slowly. It was sweet. It was delicious. I felt happy. After dessert, I was finished. I needed to pay. I waited for the waiter. When he came, I said, "Excuse me." Then, "Can I have the bill, please?" You can also say, "Can I have the check, please?" Both are correct. The waiter brought the bill. I looked at it. Everything was correct. I paid with my card. I said, "Here you are." The waiter said, "Thank you." He came back with my card. I stood up. I put on my jacket. I smiled at the waiter. I said, "Thank you. Goodbye." The waiter said, "Have a great day." I walked out. Outside, I felt proud. I did it. I went to a restaurant. I ordered food. I spoke English. I did not use difficult words. I used hello, please, thank you. That was enough. Let's remember the most important sentences. Hello, a table for one, please. Can I have the menu, please? I would like, please. I'll have, please. Excuse me. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you. If you remember these, you are ready. Now I want to ask you. Think for a moment. What is your favorite food at a restaurant? Is it pizza? Is it pasta? Is it a hamburger? Your comment helps you practice English, and we love reading your answers. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to our channel, Mr. Leo English. New videos help you speak English step by step. Please also like this video and share it with your friends or family who are learning English. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling.